All right, good morning. It's Saturday. It's about 8:15. We're going to do the maintenance wash on my wife's car. It's been a solid month and a half maybe since I washed it, so it's definitely needed. Interior, do the engine, obviously exterior, and get this thing cleaned up so we don't look like the dirtbag at daycare drive-thru. All right, basic wash, right? Pretty straightforward. 2 buckets, blow dry, drying aid, 2 towels. Not too bad. I do want to look at the paint. It's been a while. I don't remember when I polished this last. I feel like I only did the initial polish when we got the thing 3 years ago, and maybe I've done, you know, minor touch-ups since then, but you know, the paint looks pretty good. The paint looks very good. You know, there's some very minor defects around the light. Camera probably won't pick it up. Light colored cars. Remove. If you're polishing light colored cars, the best thing you can do is get rid of all the ancillary lights. Alright, so now we just have the lights on the wall. Alright, but the paint looks fantastic. Now paint's in great shape. I did the film install like, you know, the first weekend after I took the 3M training. You know, the more I see it now, the more I want to redo it. But I did a full hood, template bumper, headlights, mirrors, and then I did the very bottom. I did these bottom running boards, as well as the trunk ledge. So that's the 3M Pro version 4 film. Protection wise, I put Swiss Vax Mystery on this mid-summer. I have to check, maybe July or so. That's doing fine. No real plans to change it. It'll need to be redone. You know, Swiss Vax is good for 6 months. Let's see if this picks up. See it? There you go. There's some isolated defects. That's not bad. But the paint's in great shape. Trying to think what else. And just to show the film, it's distorting the light a bit, but the hood's in fantastic shape, right, because of the PPF. But let's see, we bought this car new. It has 37,000 miles on it. It's a 2017. We bought it in 2018 as a holdover. Right, these things don't they don't sell. I think a big part of it has to do with just the inflated sticker. Yeah, Maserati is owned by Chrysler, right? So there's a lot of carryover parts from the Grand Cherokee, the MMI, the switches. But apart from that, I like the car. Now, I want to drive it on a daily basis. I think the car's a bit effeminate. You know, but as far as having full air suspension, a full leather interior, hydraulic steering, twin turbo V6, so this makes more power than my S4. It drives really nice. The exhaust sounds good. It can get a touch raspy. You know, but the driving experience for a heavy SUV is pretty good. I like it. Gas mileage is pretty terrible, or pretty normal maybe. You know, we get about maybe 19. Yeah, I think it's pretty comparable, but this has this big hood on it. The The thing that bugs me with this car though, it gets attention, which it gets attention from non-car enthusiasts. People are always asking about it. Maybe because you just don't see that many of them, which is part of the reason I like it. Now my neighbor up the street, he does have a black one, and it's black, and the paint is just terrible on the thing. Every time I see it drive by, just the whole side's just swirled out. But we keep this in good shape, which is why the color looks the way it does. But I think that's probably gonna wrap it up. I'll finish the detail with the interior and stuff, but the main point of this wash was to just get something fresh out there, more so for my clients. You know, I meet folks every week, and you know, it's easier for me to show the wash process than it is to talk through it. I know we can get a bit jaded because, you know, if you wash like this, or if you're, you know, into this detailing stuff, this is the basics, this is the foundation. But if you're new or just getting, you know, trying to change your habits, you know, this may seem a little bit foreign. Then you do it a couple times, it's normal, it's second nature, piece of cake. But I think that's about it. Happy weekend, thanks for watching, bye.